Hi guys, Fred.Zent here, Guaranty RV Super Centers. Today I'm going to show you a Lance 2018 975. This camper's for full-size 1-ton dualies. Come on in, I want to show you the camper. On each side you got your camper jacks. They're automatic. Got front and the back. You got your Onan 2500 watt generator. Come on inside. This one has a full wall slide. You got your booth dinette. This folds down into a bed. And then you got large storage underneath each side. You got a nice full-size Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Come on up here. And then you got a nice queen-size bed with storage for clothes on each side of the bed, and you also got a nightstand and lights on each side with a really big skylight for daylight. When you come into the bathroom, you got a nice shower, kitchen vanity, and a medicine cabinet above the toilet. And then you got a nice 20-inch flat screen TV with storage in here. And then when you come into the kitchen, got plenty of storage. Nice stainless steel appliances. 3-burner stove. And then you got tons of storage above. You got your CD, all your water controls. Nice full-size sink with a nice residential faucet. Then you got storage underneath, and then a waste can. Come on outside. Above the rear you got a rear awning, and then if you come over here to the side, you got a nice side awning as well. Guys, if you want more information on this Lance, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number's 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.